Okay, what we've got here is a household fan that just does not work. I've taken it apart to see what's going on with it. This thing right here, super hard to turn even by hand. That's the actual thing that spins the blade. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe, maybe not. So if I turn on the motor, you can hear it actually humming as cars drive by at just the right time. But you can see that the shaft just isn't spinning at all. Oh, there it is. It's super hard to spin. That's down to medium. That's low. On high it spins, but you can hear it actually just catching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some SqueakSgone down that shaft. So I'm just going to put a couple drops around that and let it go down inside there and let it work and do its thing. So see if I can get the lid off of this. There it goes. This is really hard to do one-handed, but I don't want to edit the video. I want to just show you all in one showing what this does. Okay, got the lid off. Okay, so it just has a little drip tip applicator, and if I can get down in here and show you at the same time, I'm just putting a little bit on there and letting it run down inside. And I am very confident that this is going to work because I actually fixed my bathroom exhaust fan with this as well. When I took that apart, it was so corroded with just hairballs and dust particles, and I vacuumed it all out. And I actually wasn't convinced that I was going to get that to work. So, but I took it all apart, I vacuumed it all out, I cleaned it up a little bit, and then used some SqueakSgone on it, just a little bit, and worked like magic. So I'm going to let that just soak down in there for a minute. I can still feel it catching and stuff. It might take a little while for that to get down inside there all the way. I don't want to get too much down in there though. Alright, just for giggles, I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. See if I can get it to go. That's already better. There's medium. And there's low, and it wasn't even spinning in the medium and low position before, if you remember. There's off, high, medium. Something's wrong with the switch, it looks like. So high, oh, and you hear it just get softer now. It's not even grinding or anything. Super smooth now. That's in high, medium, low, and it's not even making a sound anymore. Medium, back to high, and off. And now I want to do it by hand and see if it, oh my gosh, that is so much better. That just spins and spins without hardly even touching it. Two little fingers and it spins and spins. That is amazing. So here is high again. Alright, now just because I want to show you that it's really working, I'm going to put the fan blade back on as well. If I can get that to line up at the right spot. Okay, now here goes high. Medium. Low. And I literally just put 3 drops or so of SqueakSgone. And although this thing wasn't squeaking, it still fixed the problem. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It'll stop rust, squeaky doors, squeaky hinges, any place that there's metal on metal. This stuff is amazing. All-purpose lubricant, non-toxic, safe around kids and pets. There's really no smell at all, and it's completely non-toxic and non-hazardous. Way better than that stuff that comes in a big old spray bottle that you spray and you can smell for weeks and weeks. You know what I'm talking about. This stuff, better than that. Go to SqueakSgone.com, order yours today. $7 includes shipping. You get a bottle like this, and a little bit goes a long ways. I've only used 3 drops out of that and solved a problem. Saved buying a brand new fan. So this stuff will save you money. $7, SqueakSgone.com. No tax, no shipping. SqueakSgone.com and get yours today.